Hi everyone, here we've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the fingerprint option. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here we've got the fingerprint manager and here we've got some options to customize. We can set it to touch the fingerprint sensor and then we will return to the back screen. We will open recent tasks, take photo or video or answer calls. And here we've got only some of the options. I'll show you later on. Let's tap on the fingerprint manager and let's tap on next. Now we have to choose another screen lock. We can set the pattern, pin or password. So let me pick for example pattern. Let's click on yes. And now let's draw the pattern. Click on next and redraw it. Click on confirm. Now we can decide what notifications we can show. So we can show all notification content, hide sensitive ones, or don't show notifications at all. Let me pick for example hide sensitive content, click on done. And now we have to touch the sensor. It is located on the back of our phone. It's right here. So let me touch it with my finger. And now we have to lift our finger and then touch again in order to add our fingerprint fully. And as you can see, we just added our fingerprint. If you want to add another, simply tap here. If not, click on done. And as you can see, we just got back to the previous settings. Simply tap on Fingerprint Manager again. Let's confirm with the pattern we just set. And as you can see here, we've got some more functions. We can decide if we want to unlock the device with our fingerprint. We can set quick launch shortcuts if you want. If you want to set it, simply tap on the switcher right here. As you can see here, we've got the list of added fingerprints. We can add 5. Now we've got only 1. We can remove it by tapping on the trash bin icon or simply tap on the finger and rename it if you want. Okay, now let's get back to the homepage and let's check if it is working. Let's lock our device and now I am putting my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the screen is unlocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to this device. So that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.